Alright guys, so today I'm gonna give you this free sample pack that you can use for your afrobeat or amapiano beat. So without wasting much time, let's start right after the intro. Yo, the name is God Science, still the solution carrier, providing solutions to your problems. Hit the subscribe button if you are new to this channel. Turn on the notification bell, like the video, leave a comment and subscribed. Alright guys, so the name of this sample pack is very here, God's Eye Sample Pack 2. So let's walk through this sample case or packs, then we use it to create some cool drums or afrobeat. So guys, let's walk through some of the kits. So first, let's go through the kick. Nice one. The link is in the description box. You can download it for free, but watch the video to the end to know the password to unzip the file. Very simple, guys. Nice one. Okay. Alright, let's check the snare. Nice one. You can use this for even your hip hop, trap, everything, afrobeat, amapiano. Nice one. Okay, then let's check the shakers. Nice one, guys. Look at this, guys. Subscribe to the channel if you are new here. The link is in the description box. Download this for free. Watch the video till the end to know the password to unzip the file. So there's a lot of shakers in it. Let's go to the percussions. The bongo. Nice one. Let's check some of the conga. So you can go through. The percussions are very nice, guys. Link is in the description box. Let's check the hi-hat. Very simple. Then the crash. Then it comes with bonus. Okay. Nice one. Alright guys, so now the link is in the description box. Watch the video to the end to know the password to unzip the file. Let's check the drum fill. Nice one, guys. So right now, let's use this sample pack to make a cool afrobeat. Okay. Alright guys, so I'm gonna make simple drums, or I'm gonna make some cool afrobeats with this. So I'm gonna start with the chord progression. I'm gonna load hypersonic. Subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Then I'm gonna use electric piano. Alright. Okay, and I'm gonna choose this soft vintage EP. I'm gonna create some cool chord progression. Very simple, guys. So let's make simple chord progression. Alright. If you want to know how to develop chord progression, then watch the video that will pop up on this screen. Okay. Alright guys, so this is the chord progression. Let's listen. Very simple. So we're gonna add bass by pressing Ctrl plus Shift, then selecting the root note. Okay, we're gonna drag to make duplicate, Ctrl plus down button to create a bass note. Guys, what we can do to make this chord progression more realistic is to press Alt S, then to bring the strumizer, then we play with the start time here, then the end time here. Okay, then we hit accept. So now let's listen to the chord progression. Okay, so the next thing I'm gonna do is to add simple melodies to it. So I'm gonna clone this, then I'm gonna use electric guitar, create some cool melodies. Okay, let's go to the piano roll. So we're gonna create simple melodies like this. Very simple, guys. I'm gonna highlight everything, then we're gonna clone like this. Then I'm gonna try and fill in so that we get nice melody like this. Very simple, guys. I'm gonna keep everything simple like that. Alright guys, so let's add another melody so that we can dive into the sample packs. Okay, let me choose something simple. Okay, I'm gonna use strings, the piano roll. Like this. Then I'm gonna extend this small like this. Okay guys, very simple. We're gonna use this. Let's fill the bass. Then we go for the sample packs. I'm gonna use shakers. Okay, so I'm gonna use this. Very simple. Then we're gonna fill the bass like this. Okay, then we change this to song. Alright guys, so let's listen to the shakers and the chord progression together with the simple melody. Okay, so I added this snare. Okay, this one. Then I created a simple groove. So now let's listen to them. Alright guys, so let's move on. I added this conga. Okay, very simple. So let's listen. Nice, guys. So we're gonna add the cake to it. The link is in the description box. Okay, then let's fill it normal afrobeat groove. All right, then we're gonna give it a little bit swing here. So guys, let's listen. I'm gonna lower the shakers a little bit. Then let's see if we can add more elements. Alright guys, so I just dropped one of the drum fill here. So guys, this is the sample pack that you can use. The link is in the description box. Download it for free. Let's listen to this simple beat. When I add 2 or more melodies, then it will be okay. So let's listen. Alright guys, so this is the sample pack that you can download for free. You can use this for your amapiano, hip hop, whatever. So if you found this video to be helpful, give it a like and subscribe to the channel if you are new here. See you in the next video. Stay blessed.